Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, I just want to bring to attention a really good nonprofit and coin educator and coin supporter that I think is making leap and bounds in the hobby, and it's definitely making some really good coin collectors out there. And I just like to bring attention to the Witter Coin Scholarship Fund. And they had some big news. I believe it was yesterday this coin sold. It's the very first PCGS encapsulated coin, 1982 Denver Washington quarter, old green holder, Rattler. And it was a charity auction to support Witter Coin University and Great Collections. That's what site we're on. Was going to give the buyer's fee to the Witter Coin U as well, which I think is super, super awesome. And I would love to get this coin because I actually really like Rattlers. And actually, here's a photo with no text on it. And I guess the story goes that the PCS founder or the founders were in a hotel room in 1985, and John Dan Rattler, if I'm saying his name right, they got their machine and they first put this. They had the materials to make the slab, and they put in a quarter that was found in somebody's pocket, I guess. It was 1982. And they put it in the machine and encapsulated it, and there was the first one. So, really cool stuff. It sold for $41,000, and it was $46,125 with the buyer's fee. So that went to the Witter Coin U, which is awesome. I would love to get that coin. It's a lot of piece of history there. But just for anybody that's interested or knows somebody that could go to this Witter Coin U, it's a 501c3 nonprofit, and they provide all the expenses paid for 40 young numismatists, can't spell or say that right, between ages of 14 to 20, so that's key. If you know somebody that go to San Francisco, 10 Witter Coin U, and it just happened, so it just ended July 30th, which was like yesterday. And for young numismatists, I gotta practice saying that, between ages of 14 and 17, the fund will pay all expenses for the mandatory attendance of one parent, so that's really cool too. And if you don't know who first started this, Seth from Witter Coin in San Francisco came up with the idea. And oh, there's hearts there. Oops, what am I doing? That was Christian from Treasure Town. Saw his photo. But I'll show you who first came up with it and the instructors. So Seth Chandler, right there, he's the founder. He first started really early with pennies and a Whitman folder. David McCarthy, Devin Hipp, Jim, I'm not sure how to say that name, so I'll just say Jim. John Brush. And Kevin Kaufman, Steve Feltner. So those are some of the people. They had guest instructors and everybody. I know CoinGeek was on there as a guest instructor. Some other folks that aren't coming to mind, but really good place to support, and just even if you can't support them monetarily, just making their presence known on social media, YouTube, that kind of thing. So here's how you can donate. It looks like they have a goal of $175,000, and I'm pretty sure that's for the 2024 class. So here's how you can donate. Really good cause. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure you can write it off as a tax write-off. And yeah, a good place to support. Seth Chandler is awesome. He's really good at answering people's questions and Watch him on Whatnot, Instagram. I think that's mostly what he does now. But he's really informative, and he'll go out of his way to answer your questions and to help the hobby. So, great place to support young numismatists. There I go. YN, I think it's for short. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Take care.